Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. You're probably thinking, how the hell is Raptor on 1,000 gems already? Well, there's a little trick I found, but I'll discuss that later. For now, I'm just going to open the pack, like it's nothing. Back in time. Let's go. Boring. Wake me up when it's the super rares. Oh, there we are. Another party climb. Double sunflower. Cool. Nah. Legendary. Here we go. Oh, that's so good. Another B-Rex. Dude, you're kidding, right? That's good. That's literally what we need. That is literally what we need. Okay. Just not gonna go away because I don't like it. Oh, we have 4 of these guys now. Decamo needs that. Personally, we don't want spuds. We don't want aquatic mushroom because I'm saying all the right names here. But okay, if you like unicorns and rainbows, don't save your zombies. Better watch out, kicking down doors trying to get in your house. Do I keep this? Oh, go on then. And you can go. Weston will have to control. Controlling your mother. Okay. So we can either make 2 of these guys, or we can make a final one at bowling, or I can do something a bit smart and make a cornucopia. Because if you think about it, as we're opening packs, we might get some of the legendaries. What we need. I'm gonna go call cornucopia. So now we have one of those. Yes, only 5 cards away. We're so close. So, you're probably wondering, how did I get to 1,000 gems? Well, let me explain. So guys, when you're watching ads, you'll know after a while you will get this popping up. No ads available. Now that's a bummer, isn't it? So, because you can't watch ads again to get gems. Well, here is how it works. So, you're going to want to click the game, and you want to go to settings. And while you're here, you want to go to general, and then you want to go to date and time. You want to turn off set automatically so you can change it yourself. And I don't know, you don't have to do it, but I'm going to change it to 2021. Also, you can set it to 2030, however that works. So we just do that. We then go back onto the game. And as you can see, Mayflower. And you realise the friends list is gone. No problem, we can deal with that. Now that you've done that, you want to quit the game, go back in, and press set automatically so you're back on real time. And then go back into the game again. And in the top hand right corner, you should see a certain ads. And then you watch them, you get the gems, and you repeat the cycle. I discovered it this morning. It was very, very weird. let's just say. And now I have a really good way to grind gems, which means I can do more pack openings. Maybe a pack opening every day, maybe. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!